No, lamsago te hambai o press meet on the rock and mother family bangai. Of Hunkai, Kini Jet Tripura tribal areas Ottoman District Council is a procession. O procession, the name Bichar Rani Bangai, some committed among some we stands for the justice. Nirujadana Saimaka, the last Jagan Sat General Development Officer by Deputy Principal Officer is a Parikhangan the money 9th June. Our answer key leak money bangi our defer month like subsequently amachung FIR book like arrest bunga under police investigation. Honorable Governor Sungna Rinka was suggestion Rika on it that the next Porikha that on it precautionary measures Nazakham Hine accordingly some precautionary measures Naka among some Porikha conduct like last 14th July 21 July 2024. Our smoothly Nunka some Itimote some result published. The last Porikha the answer key leak money not 2 years. Some Kaisha one man commission, some inquiry commission, some other constitute like ya. Amo jotto public sinani bangai o press meet or nego tabo songsajaka. Amani main subject hangka the some additional process ni taraf theke some kaisa one man commission for inquiry some constitute like ya. O one man commission hangka bo hangka Sri Bijoy Dev Ba IAS retired, ba secretary to the government of Tripura Tangmani, bono chung one man commission, chung bono appointment klaikya, ba already bani office, bani official activities, official function ba start klaika. Bani office hangke or narwai tang thaya, bani office kolok jagnai, bani secretary ba one man commission ni secretary ka Motilal Dev Burma. One man commission ba achukna arniga office kola paro jai kuno interested bara in the process of inquiry jai kuno bara jai sana ni musuk nera banyara faisa paimana likhit afan right ai paimana ba barbeli fan information de paimana je o answer ki bahake leak ka amne root cause dema both heka amount heka leak khabani bepara je information donani musuk naira jotta public marna phai information file phai mano anga the Bijoy Devarma IAS retired ba one man commission bani contact number ka 9436120049 ama gazette notification bo khlaijaka newspaper bo publish khlaijaka Jotta Sinani Bangai, Agatabo through Jara no the press personnel tonight, born media persons tonight, born in Taraptika, born through and public no, Jara interested parties, Jara interested Borok, Borona, Borni, attention drop like among Sanamusugo, there are now one man commission of high information, Rohibazat, Rohibadi, Jate Clay, and root causes and detection Clay. Amanachang Jotani Mane justice ni bangachang jate padakhyam nama matui hime umna masa khlaika ngai oraniga even one man commission about public hearing bu notice khlainai public hearing notice khlaika hangkai patrika bu borinai aga bani taraf theke notice jaga wo borohanai zonal officer sub zonal officer or ADC ni joto principal officers ni officer joto jaga ni notice rinai rimani pore public ro khai jate jot jaga na khanga secretly bobai malai mano ba publicly phai banara statement ro phai mano jama bahake leak kha okay one man inquiry committee on the basis of Mani inquiry ja jabo khainai mannai ebong public ni thani kharamani pore बा रिपोर्ट सबमिट खालायनाय रिपोर्ट सबमिट खालायनायनि परे माने रिपोर्ट सबमिटनि उपरा भित्ति खालाय जों एक्शन तेबो जों फार्दार एक्शन लानाय जाहाथे जस्टिस बराक जस्टिस मोननानै